Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the SSD and cable support native boot speeds. Use USB 3, 1/3, 2, or Thunderbolt to avoid slow transfers. Next, prepare a clean Windows 11 ISO and install Rufus or Win to USB. This is the only practical route for an external boot. Once done, set the target PC to UEFI mode and check Secure Boot. Many tools require it disabled. Make sure you've backed up data and that the external SSD is formatted or empty, because the process will overwrite it. You now create the portable Windows image. Launch Rufus or Win to USB and point it to your Windows 11 ISO and the external SSD. Choose UEFI/GPT target and pick a full install or VHD/VHDX option. VHDX gives portability and easier driver handling, while full install mirrors an internal drive. Start the write and monitor for errors. Image deployment can take 20 to 40 minutes depending on NVMe speeds. Once the tool reports success, safely eject. You plug the external SSD into the target PC and use the boot menu or BIOS to choose the USB device. Windows setup will start and you complete region, account, and privacy choices. Once on the desktop, install chipset and storage drivers, run Windows Update, and verify activation. If the system fails to boot, check that UEFI mode and USB boot are enabled, toggle Secure Boot off or on depending on your tool. Try a different port and recreate the image if corruption appears. Those steps resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.